Did you know that there are AI tools that can instantly create AI agents for you that could begin to automate your work by you just typing in a simple prompt? Or maybe you didn't know that there's a brand new AI tool that actually lets you build your own AI chatbots that you could sell the same way that this 17-year-old made over $20 million selling a product like this. Well, those two things are absolutely nothing, because by the end of this video, you're gonna learn about 7 brand new AI tools that you're gonna wish you knew about sooner. Tool number 1 is going to be MusicGPT. Now, this is going to allow you to create your own music, to create your own sound effects, or to remix music or change it however you'd like. And one of the best parts about this is that it's safe for commercial use. So you could use everything that you create using this tool for free without any copyright worries. You could use it on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and so many other platforms. In addition to that, you can use it to edit any audio. For example, if you want to change a voice, or you want to remix a song with AI, or you want to do an AI cover of a song or extend a song, you're going to be able to do it with this tool. Or you could literally just generate full songs, instrumental songs, sound effects, or so much more. And it's as simple as you literally coming over here and describing exactly what you want to do. For example, I'm going to click on create sound right here, and I'm going to click on noise in a restaurant. And then what I'm going to do is click this right here, and this is going to go ahead, and this is going to actually put this in queue, and it is going to create this sound. Now, in addition to that, let's say that I also wanted to create a song, or maybe I wanted to do actually speech to text, or I could do anything random right here, and I can come into all these different tools to see all the different tools that they have. Okay, so now that the sound is actually done being created, and by the way, it took just a few seconds for it to create it, let's check this out. Now that's crazy. It sounds exactly like a noisy restaurant. Now, if you wanted to make your own song, here's what you would do. You would type in a prompt like what I just put on the screen here, make an EDM dance track with guitars and other organic musical elements with big synths and male vocals. Now, what we could do is we could come in here and we could add that we just wanted to be an instrumental, or if we had lyrics, we could have it actually add these in, or we could have this generate the lyrics for us. And if we come to tools, we'll see some other things, and we're going to do create anything right here. So all we have to do is click on this arrow right here, and then this is going to go ahead and actually create this. And literally in just a few seconds, this went through and this actually created it. You can see it's at 99%, and then it's going to be done, and it created a version 1 and a version 2 of this exact thing. Now here's what these actually sound like, which is pretty insane that AI just made that completely unique thing, or this one right here. And then also before, I generated 2 other ones, and this one has way stronger vocals. Check this out. Now that's pretty amazing that this was all AI generated. On top of that, what you could do is you can come down here and see all of the other different types of stuff that they have here. For example, under top 50, you could come in here and see what each of these sound like, and you'll be able to see the exact prompt that actually created it. I mean, check this out. This right here is pretty awesome. That's great. I mean, I could see that going viral on something like TikTok or something like Instagram, or even having that behind a YouTube video would be pretty good. And here's another one that I like. I just keep going down this way. That's crazy. I cannot believe that this is AI generated. And again, if we come over here, you'll see that this is actually safe for commercial use on all these different platforms. By the way, if you go to the pinned comment below right now, you can get started with MusicGPT right now for free. But that was just the first tool. The second tool is going to be mindpal.space. What mindpal is going to allow you to do is build AI agents or AI workflows by simply just describing exactly what you want these things to do. So you can click right here and you can go with either an agent or a workflow. So first, we're going to click on agent. I'm going to click new, and then what I'm going to do is say exactly what I want this to be able to do. So I'm going to say I need an AI agent that can help me write good YouTube titles and knows what it takes to make a good YouTube title. So we have that typed out. I'm going to fix the spelling mistake. I'm going to click generate with AI right here. And then what this is literally going to do is go through and build my AI agent. It is going to show me what the output format should be. It'll give me a background. I can connect different knowledge sources here. For example, if I have a PDF of a bunch of viral titles, I can put that in here. In terms of output settings, I could choose what language it's going to be, or even add a brand voice in here if I want it to be specific. I can choose exactly what model this is actually going to use in order to come up with those titles. And there are a bunch of other tools that I could integrate this with if I wanted to, and I can even set this up so that it uses a computer with a browse agent. Now that was just creating an AI agent. The next level up from that would actually be creating an AI workflow. So what I'm going to say is I want to be able to give you one of my competitors on YouTube, and you go off and find out which of their videos are trending, and then give me title recommendations based on that. So the AI agent tool was able to complete a single task, but this right here will actually be able to complete different workflows. And as we can see here, this is going to be a 3-step workflow. Step number 1, we're going to give it our competitor's YouTube channel. Step number 2, it is going to do an analysis of their trending videos. And then step number 3 is it is actually going to give us title recommendations based off of that. And as we can see here, 1, 2, 3, these are all different agents that are going to be used here. And if we click create, this will go ahead and actually create that. Now, in addition to this, you can also add MCP right here and add in a bunch of different knowledge bases. Or if you wanted to, if you click into workflows right here and come into templates, you'll be able to see a bunch of templates that are already pre-created in here that a ton of other people are already using. Or if you click into agents, come into templates, you'll be able to see the same exact thing. They have a Facebook post writer, a Twitter post writer, LinkedIn post writer, and so much more. Now, the third tool that I have for you is going to be pickaxe.co. What this is going to allow you to do is whatever you have knowledge on, you can build an AI chatbot that's going to be trained on that, and then you are going to be able to sell it. For example, you can see that I have made a bunch of different pickaxes here. I have a TikTok keyword finder, TikTok hashtag generator, TikTok description generator, and a bunch of other tools that help people with things related to social media. Now, what I was able to do, and I'll actually walk you through one of these, if we click on TikTok viral hook generator, we will be able to see that I was literally able to make this and I was able to sell this. And you can see that if we come into edit pickaxe right here, this is basically exactly how this works. You assign a role to the chatbot, you choose exactly what model you want it to use, what kind of capabilities you want it to have. You could put in model reminders here, and then you come into configure and actually make this look like what you want it to look like. And then coming into knowledge, you can train it on a bunch of different knowledge. For example, I gave this hundreds of different viral hooks on TikTok. So this is actually really good at creating viral hooks on TikTok. And then you can also add in different actions here, like using other pickaxes, doing different community actions, like doing a Google search, or you can hook this up to Zapier, and you can do all of this from right in here. And then what you do is you save this and you will be able to sell this. You could sell this on your own website, or you could sell this straight on Pickaxe. And what you should think about with this is what you have knowledge of that you can create a specialized chatbot for, create that chatbot, and then create content on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, or partner with influencers, or if you have your own audience, sell it to them. And this is a great way for you to be able to monetize whatever knowledge you have with AI. Now, before I get into the 4 other AI tools that are only going to get crazier and crazier, I need you to smash that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest AI tools. I upload videos like this every single day, and you're not going to want to miss them. The next tool that I have for you is going to be fellou.ai. Essentially what this is the world's first agentic browser. It is beyond just browsing for things like you could on Google Chrome or on Safari, and now it can actually take actions on your behalf. If we scroll down here, we could see a bunch of different things that it could do. For example, there are a bunch of different workflows. You could tell it to create and post a LinkedIn article. Guess what? It would be able to do that. You could tell it to book a meeting on your calendar. It would be able to do that. You could have it send emails on your behalf. You could have it buy things for you. You could have it message your colleagues on Slack, summarize your calendar, or browse for certain things that you want to buy. In addition to that, you can have it do a bunch of different searches and then actually return things based on those searches. And this right here is where the internet is actually headed, because not only will you just be able to browse for things and search for things and interact with your browser will also be able to take actions on your behalf, so you don't have to do useless work. Now, the 5th tool, before I get into the last few tools, is going to be Genspark. Now, you may have heard of this before, but they just created some brand new things that are absolutely amazing. They now have AI slides, which makes you amazing slideshow presentations. They now have AI sheets, which allows you to basically replace Google Sheets or Excel, because this is that, but on steroids, because you could tell it exactly what you want, or you could upload an AI sheet that doesn't have all the data filled out, and it will go ahead, search the internet, and actually find whatever data it needs to find. In addition to that, they now have a download into AI Drive browser right here. You could upload a link right here and tell it what to download, and it will go ahead and do that. In addition to that, they have a ton of other agents here. They have a super agent, they have deep research, they have a fact checker, they even have an agent that can make phone calls on your behalf. In addition to that, you can make videos with this tool from a bunch of different models right here. You can create images also from a bunch of different models, and there are quick apps when it comes to editing things. For example, you want to do an AI try-on, you could do that. You want to expand an image, you could do that. You want to unblur an image, you could do that. Remove a background on an image, you can also do that here. And GenSpark is one of those tools that I would strongly suggest that everybody get, because you can also come down here and see how a bunch of other people are using GenSpark. And the opportunity here with GenSpark is going to be endless, especially as they push out these new features over and over again. And as we can see right here, for Pro and Plus users, they just gave you unlimited access to all advanced models in AI chat with 0 credit cost. Now up at number 6, before I get into the last and craziest tool, is going to be Nim.video. If you don't know what this is, this basically allows you to create images and create videos all from a prompt, and it is pretty incredible. In fact, you could come over here to explore and be able to see all the different images and all the different videos that other people have created here. You could turn a photo into a video, and you could come into spaces where they have a bunch of different spaces dedicated to specific things. For example, one dedicated to history, or one dedicated to 90s nostalgia, or mini life, or movie mode, or even they have one for POV, where it's just going to be a bunch of different POV related content. You can come over here and create, and you will be able to add in whatever prompt you want, or you can use AI to tweak your prompt and create pretty much anything that you want. The opportunities are endless when it comes to what videos and what photos you can create with this tool. And one of my favorite parts about it is, again, you can access every single model from here. You could change it to be your own dimensions, and you could even come in here and adjust the length of how long it'll be and add in a negative prompt so that you don't get it to create things that you didn't want it to create. Now, the final tool that I have here is going to be HeyGen. If you've seen people doing those Talking Baby podcasts, this is how they're doing it. If you've seen people turn a photo into a video or an AI avatar, this is how they're doing it. And if you've seen people create an AI avatar of themselves, this is the tool that they are using to do that, because this tool allows you to create AI avatars, and you can do a ton of really cool things with that. You could create UGC content, you could create your own avatar, you could choose from a bunch of different avatars that they have, and guess what? All you have to do is come in and create video here, and you can do a bunch of different things. For example, you could upload a PowerPoint into here, and it will give you a video based on that. You could generate a script with AI. You could do a PDF to a video, or you could even translate a video into a bunch of other languages. Let's say that you have a YouTube channel or a TikTok. You can now use this to create an AI twin of you so that you don't have to record. Let's say you get sick, or you want to go on vacation, or you just don't feel like recording that day. You could use this tool to continue to create videos without you having to record, and this looks hyper realistic. If you like this video, you're gonna love this video right here that walks you through ChatGPT's latest models and exactly how to use them to get the most out of them. I'll see you over there.